All right, we are learning Go. Prerequisite. Okay, pretty simple stuff. Goland. What the hell? Okay, so let me just create a folder for this. Study Go. Go Lang. Call this basics. Right. Dependency tracking. Giving it the name of the module. The name is the module's module path. What the hell? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. What the hell? Okay, learning Go. All right. Seems like I can just get rid of all this stuff. Get out of here. Go mod init. That's right. That's what we are looking right. Go mod init. Something like learning Go. Learning Go. Okay. Hello Go. Okay. Let me just okay, need to create. I mean, come on, bro. Like, okay. Says language support. Okay. So the first thing we want to write is package main, and then import fmt. Don't know what that means. Func main fmt print ln hello world. Go run dot. Print ln. Okay, first of all, can I do I really need to call the method? Can I just extract it? Okay, looks like we have to deal with this shit. Package go dev code. Okay. In the search, locate and click on the they want me to click version 1. So what is this? I believe this is the version something like that. Code package. Okay. Import rcscio code rscio code quote go. What the hell? It does not have okay. It has a go method. Go returns a go proverb. Okay. Just quote the go method and run go. Add new module. Go mod tidy. Go sum. What is this? So you need to run go mod tidy and then run this. Tutorial. Let's go to tutorial. Getting started. Create modules. Getting started with multi-module. What the hell, developing recipe? Whoa, getting started. Okay, let's go to tour of Go. Go local, go offline, basics, variables. Okay. All right, let's just play around. Okay, next. What is this? Packages. Every Go program is made up of packages. Import FMT. Random number. Okay, rand int 10. So let's print. Okay, first import math rand. Import math rand. Rand int n 10. What the fuck is n for? Like int and returns an integer, non-negative pseudo a random number in the half open interval. What the hell? From the default source, it panics if n is less than or equal to 0. What the hell? Okay. Won't even let me use it. 3. Okay. Next. Okay. Math square root. Okay, let's create this function. Function add x, which is an integer, y, which is an integer. This is the return type, and boom, return x plus y. Okay. Let's call add with 1 2. Okay, dude. How do I suppress the warning? ChatGPT. How do I suppress this warning? Okay. Crazy, bro. You son of a bitch. That is crazy. How am I supposed to know that, bruh? Um, Okay, what is this? Named return. Split 15, 17. Whoa, what is this? What the hell is sum? Sum is a variable integer. Sometimes 4. Divided by 9. What is this? What is this retarded algorithm, bruh? Okay, we did not see the how to create the variables. X gets of the total split. Oh, it's just fucking fractions, bruh. Alright, so split func split takes something integer and returns x y int, and now I can assign stuff to it. Some times some random bullshit integer value, take half of it, and y is equal to some minus x, and return it. All right. Split 50. Okay. Whatever, bruh, 59. Do we get an error or something? It printed it. Okay. All right, let's declare some variables. Pretty easy stuff. Let's see. So you just say var C Python Java, and then at the end you give it the boolean. So all of these variables are type boolean, and here we can also say this is a variable I with int. What we declared and not used. Get out of here, man. Whoa, what is this? What if I print this? These are like, I'm just printing unknown variables. So initial values are false. Okay, let's initialize some variables. Var I j int 1 2. Whoa, what is this? Var C Python Java. I can omit false. No, so it becomes like print fmt. What is this name? Print ln I j c Python Java. K3 print fmt print okay. Pretty cool. Basic types. Yeah, all right, we got some types: bool, string, int 8, int 16, 32, 64. This, I believe this is unsigned integer, 8, 16, 32, 64. Pointer, byte, alias for integer 8. Rune, float 32, float 64, complex 64, complex 128. All right, var. I mean, we can use the import inside the parentheses like that. Let's create the variables. So in the global scope, var open parentheses to be max int z. What kind of syntax is this? So to be is a variable. It's a boolean set to false. Max int unsigned int 64. What the hell is this? So we got 1, some sort of shift minus 1. What is this? What the hell is this? Okay, let's ask. It's like, it's gotta be like shift operation or something. What's this in Go language? Bit shift expression. 1 shifted left by 64 bits minus 1. So becomes okay. One. So take binary 1, move it left 64 place. After shifting left 1, 2, after shifting 4, 1 followed by 64 zeros. So the because what the okay, whatever, bro. That's just max integer is just complex z, complex square, whatever bullshit. Okay, so we now know how another way to create variables, 0 values. Variables declared without an explicit initial value are given their 0 value. 0 for numeric, false, empty for strings. What is this? I for integer is takes value, f float value, some sort of like format identifier, specifier, whatever, some bullshit. For string, they're using special q. Okay, just okay. Let's do some type conversion. So I, which is an integer, 42. Let's convert it to float. Float 64 takes float 64 takes in the variable. Put more simply, Go assignment between items of different type, XSplit conversion. Okay, what does happen, bruh? What happens? Already got a warning. Cannot use aware above type F. Version compiler. We got a compiler error. Okay, that's just the basics. What is this? Is this a Japanese word? Some seems like a Chinese word. Sheet. Happy Pi Day. So let's declare some constants. So const like pi is like this is a float. Const hello. Let's say greet. Hello. And then do something like greet by declared but not used. God damn it, we get all these goofy errors. Need int small. So where is the small? So small 21 need okay, this is a very complex example. Modules. For loop. Okay, let's do this. If var I 10 initial value, let's set the initial value to 0, semicolon, I is less than 10, semicolon, I plus plus, no parentheses around this. We call fmt print I. Usually this should be enough to range over int. Well, get out of here, man. Very common example. So basically we can turn this into a while loop by just leaving it out, like let's say var, set it to 0 at the top, and get rid of this, and yeah, get rid of this as well. And after this we increment it. Should do the same thing, but it's now looks like and acts like a while loop. While loop on theory just as condition, so does this. Dude, you're crazy. At that point we can just drop var, so that's much more short, I guess. All right, if I apparently this creates infinite loop. Get out of here, dude. We don't want that. Okay, let's say if x is okay, let's create a function func smaller than 10 or something, takes in a number a int, returns a bool, return a smaller than 10. So here we call smaller than 10, we pass 9, and got it, print ln smaller, okay, true, 11, should be false. Cool. What is this? You piece of shit. You did not use the if statement. If a is smaller than 10, return true. Or is the, do we got a else? Do we got a else, bruh? Okay, same thing. It's just return files, bro. I don't know how to write the else block, so okay, cool. If we have a variable, how do I declare it? So basically the syntax is, let's say we use if followed by this implicit assignment thingy, some condition, let's say some condition followed by semicolon, some expression. So this is the expression. This is not a condition, this is expression. Some expression, comma, condition, and then like this. Very hard looking. If and else. So okay, we can now write this by using else return false. Loops and functions. This garbage. What is this? Missing return. Force off. Syntax. Man, this is a very weird, man, like, come on, dude, like, what is this? Loops and functions. Get out of here, man. Switch state.